Hi guys, Gina Babak with you, and in this video I will share with you my strategy how I made more than $3,000 during the last 7 days. And this will be actually a cool video for you if you want to know how you can make money online and build your list using both free and paid traffic. So let's dive in. So first of all, let me share my results with you. So this is my this is my Stripe account, and as you can see, yesterday I made $812. Today I made already $1,700 plus 54, and during the last 7 days, let me refresh this. So again, today is this money, and during the last 7 days I made already $3,200. Okay, now I will share how I did it. And first of all, to do this I needed to have actually the cool funnel, but to have a cool funnel is not really very helpful if you don't have the reliable traffic source just for this funnel. Okay, because if you have, let's say, good traffic source and bad funnel, it will not work. If you have good funnel but bad traffic, or the traffic which is not corresponding with this funnel, you will also fail. Okay, and this is why the majority of online marketers fail. Okay, so this is why I decided to create my Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp. Again, this is called Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp with Gina Babak, and what you see now is just an affiliate, just access to membership area. Okay, where you see these trainings. But the real thing is which you will actually like, is that you don't need to spend a lot of time to start making money. You don't need to learn a lot of things to start making money. You can just start making money the day number one after you joined the bootcamp and joined the affiliate program. Okay, and I will tell you why I'm so sure about this. So take a look. So this is actually my how my Gmail account looks like, and as you can see, like I made just recently 18 sales of $7. This is actually the front end price. Okay, so if I will share with you the sales page, so this is the sales page of the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp. Okay, and it simply explains how it all works, but again it starts just from $7, so it's easy to join for anyone and everybody, and you don't need to pay for the high ticket coaching programs to just make high ticket sales. Okay, you don't need to sell other people who are not big marketers. You just don't need to sell them this high ticket stuff shit, because they will never make money of it, and they will hate you for the rest of their lives if they would pay, let's say, $3,000 or $2,000 or $5,000 for a certain high ticket program, and they are not marketers yet. They don't know how to promote, they don't have money for traffic, and this is why the majority of them fail. But in this case, the whole this Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp idea was to give you the tool which will allow you to start making money from a very little price. Like, okay, you join for $7, and then you have the whole funnel working with you. And again, let me share with you this idea. So the average sale which I actually make, it looks like this. If the guy actually is serious about making money online, how to learn it, and has at least $100, so this is what you will see. You will see 737.57. See, 797.37, 57, 37, 57, 97, 499, 157, and so on. So the average check we have, guys, is more than $60, meaning that you can go on Udemy and buy traffic. Let's say you bought 100 clicks, you made your money back within 1-2 days, and you get actually 30 new leads. So again, just stay with me. Just watch this video once again from A to Z. Share this with your people, with your friends, because this is how real. This is a reality how you can start building your business. Because when you promote this funnel, it's not to make money for me. It's just because the funnel is so good that you get your money back immediately, 1-2 days. Okay. So again, when you just buy this, you go to day 2, set up your business, start from this video. This is where I actually explain how it all works, how it should be. Okay, so first of all, if you're looking for get rich quick scheme, okay, it's not for you. But if you already understand that your real money, your real business is you, and actually you only need to build your list and promote to this list some offers, which actually there are many offers, but you can, for example, I send to my list minimum 2-3 letters per day, okay, to make from $50 to 500 or 1,000 or 1,700, okay, per day. Guys, this is the reality, and this is how it works, and this is how it should work actually. Okay, so again, another cool thing about this, that I also have a reliable traffic source which allows you to get these kind of numbers almost guaranteed. Okay, so when you scroll down, you will see actually this average check idea, and then click get real traffic. You go to Gina Solo Ads. Okay, and you simply buy traffic. Let's say, guys, it's not this traffic is not cheap, so I charge $150 for 100 clicks. But guys, I created this traffic just for this offer, meaning that you will start getting this kind of money back within the next 1, 2, 3 days maximum after you purchase the traffic and started promoted the Freedom Breakthrough Bootcamp, your affiliate link for this first sales page. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is how you build your list for free using paid traffic. Yes, you can use, like, you know, free traffic, no problem. I just have a conversation today with one guy who just joined the bootcamp for $7 and he already made a sale. But if he would pay $150 per week, he will be just getting a lot of sales and reinvested this profit into traffic to build his list faster. Because you know what, you will start getting real money when your list is real big. Okay, so from 5,000 subscribers, you can realistically expect from $4,000 to $5,000 per month. Again, slightly less, let's say $3,000 to $4,000, but this is already good money for the majority of people in any place of the world to live. Okay, and now with 10,000 subscribers, okay, you have your financial freedom. So guys, I hope you like this video. Just if this is your first time on my channel, just subscribe, give me some comments, likes, and again, just share this with your friends. Because I mean, I hate to see how people are spending their last money to buy some guru's shit and make no money at all. Okay, so let's make this world a better place.